Hi everyone. In this short video, I'm going to be showing you how to make an entry in the weekly planner via the desktop system. The weekly planner is what's about to happen, so this week and next week, whereas the diary, which we've seen, is what happened previously, so in retrospect, and things that are further into the future and therefore less guaranteed, we use the calendar for that. The weekly planner is great because it allows you to get information out of your head. You and anybody else invited into your farm system can easily see what's planned for the week, and you can add things into it as they pop up. So, for example, if the vet rings and says they're going to be coming on Friday, stick it in there before you forget. If you've got staff, this also helps with embedding that habit of using CloudFarmer because they'll go on into here to check it daily. Now, there's no right or wrong way to use the planner, but I thought I'd show you how we do it on our farm. And we tend to fill it out via the desktop on a Sunday night, as we like to be able to just see it on that bigger screen. We then add to it via the app over the week as things pop up. Like I say, you can fill out the planner via the app or the desktop, but in order to get you familiar with the desktop version, we're going to do it on the computer today. So on the menu, make sure you're on the Notices and Planner page. Scroll down and click Edit beside the weekly planner. And I think we said that the vet's coming on Friday now, so I'm going to scroll down to Friday, and we're going to click on the blue plus beside Friday. Right. Vet coming. Easy as that. And then once we've put our entry in, all we need to do is remember to press save. Always handy. And in order to see these changes on your phone, just press sync. Nice and easy. Thanks, everyone.